Hello guys, we have a question here that says an inductor 20 millihenry, a capacitor 100 microfarad, and a resistor 50 ohm are connected in series across a source of EMF electromagnetic field, sorry, V equals to 10 sine 340 t. Okay, so the power loss in the circuit is, we have to find the power loss in the circuit. So we have the L, that is 20 mH, capacitance, that is 100 microfarad, resistance, that is 50 ohm. Write these values down on a paper as given. Now we have V equals to 10 sine 314 t. Okay, now VO is 10. Okay, from the equation VO is 10. Okay, and omega is 340. Okay, now from the formula X XL is equals to well, so we get 3, we put the values, we get 314 multiplied by 20 by 10 to the power minus 3 equals to 6.28 ohm. Okay, now XC is equals to 1 by omega C. Okay, so again putting in the formula, we get 330, XC is equals to, XL is equals to 6.28, XC is equals to 31.8 ohm. Okay, now we have the formula Z equals to under root R square plus XC minus XL's whole square. Okay, so when we put these values in the Z's formula, we get 56.1. Okay, so formula of power losses is equals to V naught square R by 2 Z square. When we put the values in the formula of power loss, we get the answer 0.79 watt. Okay, that is our option 3. Thank you.